Hortatory is a tag which is to persuade the reader or listener that something should or should not. Hortatory exposition also have the purpose. The purpose of hortatory exposition is to persuade the reader or listener to do something according from the text.
There are several environment issues as the impact of global warming. Our daily activities are responsible for the increasing temperature of the Earth. There are many factors which cause global warming. Climate change refers to the changes in temperature and long-term weather patterns. If the temperature of the atmosphere increases, then the temperature of the ocean surface layer also increases and causes the polar ice caps to melt and increase the volume of seawater on Earth. Global warming is a huge and global problem. It cannot be solved by just several groups or countries, but we need to work together to decrease global warming because we will get the impact as well. The main factor is known as a greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is caused by greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, chlorofluoro, and carbon. Apart from the greenhouse effects, the use of motorized vehicles can also cause global warming because the smoke released by motor vehicles contains harmful substances. Excessive use of air conditioner can actually damage the Earth's ozone layer because air conditioner emits CLC substance which can damage the ozone layer. According to the Ministry of Environment for the Climate Change Knowledge Center, climate change can be measured in statistical form through the International Panel on Climate Change. The occurrence of climate change can also be seen from the average temperature of the Earth, which has increased by 1.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Compared to the several centuries ago, this temperature is expected to rise again in the next 100 years by 0.5 to 8.6 degrees Fahrenheit. 2016 was the warmest period ever recorded, at 1.78 degrees Fahrenheit or 0.99 degrees Celsius, warmer than Earth's average temperature in the middle of 20 centuries. Eliminating global warming may seem impossible, but if we do it together, we're sure it will be reduced as soon as possible. As students, we have learned a lot that the global warming is a serious problem and threatens the humanity. Let's save the world from the greenhouse gases. Global efforts are needed to reduce global warming. As we know, there are several specific ways to reduce the effects of global warming. The first, we must reduce the use of electricity. Excessive use of electricity also has the potential to produce emissions. The more electricity is used, the more carbon is produced. Reducing electricity use, such as turning off lights when they are not in use, and also reducing the use of air conditioner because they can cause the greenhouse effect due to the presence of CFC gas or freon in the air conditioner. Another effort is called 3R, which means reduce, reuse, recycle. The first is reduction. Reduction refers to the waste. And as a smart generation, we must reduce the use of plastic, styrofoam, and other packaging industries. The second is reuse. We can change our habits positively by using reusable products instead of disposable ones. And the last one is recycling, which means we need to recycle items that can be recycled, such as newspaper, glasses, aluminum cans, and others. And we can also replant trees, multiply existing plants, so that carbon dioxide can be absorbed by these plants and converted into oxygen. Do it now and do it starting from small things like implementing the 3R way of life, namely reduce, reuse, recycle. Therefore, let's take care of this earth by doing 3R. That's the end of our video today. Thank you very much for your attention.